Okay, means main important one, cultivation of paddy. In cultivation of paddy, first one, preparing the soil. What? Preparing the soil. Is important one. Preparing the soil. In preparing the soil, first step is ploughing. Second step is leveling. Okay. Next, second event or second task or second activity in paddy cultivation is sowing of seed. Okay. What? Sowing of seed. This is the second activity. Okay. In second activity, some points were studied. Now let us discuss about an activity. Okay, what? An activity. What is the aim of this activity? What is the aim of this activity? To select the good seeds. To select the good seeds. To select the good seeds. This is the aim of this activity. Okay, next procedure. First, you have to take water in a beaker or bucket. You have to take like this. You have to take water in a beaker or bucket. Water in bucket or beaker. Next, you have to pour these seeds into the beaker containing water. Okay, you have to pour these seeds into the beaker. When you place these seeds, when you place the seeds into the beaker, what will happen? Water containing the beaker. What will happen actually? Actually, some seeds are sunken. Some seeds are sunken. Like this, some seeds are sunken. Next, some seeds actually float on the water surface. Float on the water surface. like this. These are floated seeds. These are sunken seeds. Floated seeds and sunken seeds. Now, which are the good seeds for the germination? Which seeds are good seeds between the floated and sunken seeds? To observe the good seeds, to select the good seeds, you have to observe characteristic features of two types of seeds. You have to observe the characteristic features of two types of seeds. Okay. Now, after observation, you have to write the you have to write the collected information. You have to write the collected information in a table. Character of seed, characters of seed. Next, sunken seed. Next, floated seed. You have to write the information, collected information in this table. For example, color of the seed. Okay, good color of the seed. First, observe the, and you have to write the entire collected information in that table, like good color, next wrinkled and rough shape, wrinkled and rough shape, next round, smooth and round shape, seed, next low weight, next high weight, like this, like this. You have to you have to write the entire information like this in tabular form. Okay, observe. good color. Actually, sunken seeds have the good color. Sunken seeds have the good color here when compared to floating seeds. Next, wrinkled and rough seeds. Wrinkled and rough seeds. Wrinkled and rough seeds. This character is present in floating seeds. Smooth and rough seeds. This character is present in sunken seeds. Next, low weight is present to floated seeds. High weight is present to sunken seeds. Okay, observe this important. Now you can observe different characteristic features of different seeds. Observe one. Observe activity. What is the aim of this activity? What is the aim of this activity? To select the good seed. To select the good seed. Now procedure. First, you have to take beaker or bucket. Beaker or bucket. Beaker or bucket with water. With the water. After that, you have to collect the seed. You have to collect the seeds of any crop. Seeds of any crop. Then you have to place seed. You have to place the seed in water. You have to place the seed in beaker containing water. Beaker containing water. Next, after that, you can observe some seeds are sunken and some seeds are floated on the water surface like this. These are the floated seeds. These are the sunken seeds. These are the floated seeds and these are the sunken seeds. Floated seeds and sunken seeds. Okay, this is important. Remember. Next, after that, you have to collect those all floated seeds and sunken seeds separately. You have to collect the floated seeds and sunken seeds separately. Next, you have to observe the differences between the floating and sunken seeds and collect the information about characteristic features of floating and sunken seeds. Next, you have to write that collected information in this table. Okay. By drawing in your notebook, you have to mention the entire information in that table. For example, observe this table. Here, characters of seeds, sunken seeds, floated seeds. Floated seeds. Here, good color. It is a character of this seed. Good color is present in sunken seed when compared to the floated seed. Next, wrinkled and rough shaped seed. Wrinkled and rough shaped seed. These type of character is present in floated seed. Next, Smooth. Next, smooth, rough shape seed. Smooth, rough shape seed. This character is present in sunken seed. In sunken seed. Next, low weight is, this character is present. This character is present in floated seed. Okay. Next, high weight. This character is present in sunken seed. Based on all these characteristic features and based on this experiment, we can conclude that sunken seed are the best seed among the all others. These are the better than the floated seed. Okay, these are the better than floated seed. Better than floated seed. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Observe once again for a minute. Next, Next, let us discuss another activity. Let us discuss another activity. What is the aim of this activity? What is the aim of this activity? The aim of this activity is to observe the germination of floated and sunken seeds. Germination of floated and sunken seeds. This is the aim of this activity. Now let us discuss about the procedure. Procedure of this activity. Procedure of this activity. Now, first you have to collect the two types of seeds. You have to collect the two types of seeds. Floated seeds and floated seeds and sunken seeds. Floated seeds and sunken seeds. Then you have to sow the two types of seeds in the same soil. These are the floated seeds. Next, these are the sunken seeds. Next, you have to provide the same amount of water. Regularly, and you have to maintain the similar sunlight intensity. Understanding? Okay. Next, after a week, you can observe the germination. After a week, you can observe the germination. You can observe the germination of the sunken seed. Like this, you can observe the germination of sunken seed. But you cannot observe the germination of the floated seed. Observe carefully. An important experiment it is. By this experiment, we can conclude that floated seeds, they are unable to germinate. They cannot germinate when we sow in agriculture field. But sunken seeds, they have the ability to germinate when we sow the seeds in agriculture field. Okay, that is why sunken seeds have the ability to germinate, but floated seeds, they do not have the ability to germinate. They do not have the ability to germinate. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Means in these two types of seeds, sunken seeds are better than the floated seeds. Understanding? Okay. Observe one. Okay, observe activity. What is the aim of this activity? To observe the germination of floated and sunken seeds. This is the aim of this activity. Now, procedure. First, you have to collect the. First, you have to collect the. First, you have to collect the. What? You have to collect the floated and sunken. Floated and sunken seeds. Then after that, you have to sow them. You have to sow them in same soil. In same soil. Then you have to supply the water and the sunlight equally to two types of seeds. You have to supply the water. You have to supply the water and sunlight. Sunlight to two types of seeds. Two types of seeds equally. Then after a week, you have to observe the seed. After a week, you have to observe the seed. Okay, what is the result here? After a week, you can observe germinated sunken seeds and ungerminated or non-germinated floated seeds. Okay, what? What? Non-germinated or ungerminated floated seeds. Means here sunken seeds can germinate. Next year floated seeds, they are unable to germinate. Unable to germinate. Understanding? Yes. This is also very important activity. Here we can observe root system. Already we discussed. Root system is developed from. Root system is developed from radical of the embryo. Radical of the embryo. Next, shoot system is developed from. Shoot system is developed from plumule of the embryo. Plumule of the embryo. Understanding? Embryo is a very important part in seed. Embryo is the very important part in the seed. Okay, observe. Next, next, medication. Medication of C. What? Medication of C means seeds have rich or good. Seeds have high amount of nutrients or food material. Seeds have high amount of seeds have high amount of food material. Food material in them. Okay. Food material. That is why number of microorganisms, number of other organisms, insects or any other microorganisms, they can or they may spoil these seeds to eat that food material. Okay, to eat that food material, number of microorganisms and other insects, they spoil the seed. They spoil the seed to collect or to eat the food material. To eat the food material. Yes. Understanding. Microorganisms, for example, bacteria, fungi, etc. This type of microorganisms, they depend on the seeds to eat the food material. That is why they spoil the seed. When seeds are spoiled, they cannot germinate. They cannot germinate. That is why farmers farmers at least farmers at least wash the at least wash the seeds by using water or different chemicals. Are understanding? Observe carefully. Actually, farmers medicate the seeds before the sowing or before the germination. Before the germination or sowing process. Before the germination, sowing or germination, farmers medicate the seeds with chemicals, with different types of chemicals. Understanding? Like this. Observe.